So today in this tutorial we are going to discuss about the Oracle SQL. So in Oracle SQL we have to learn about the create table statements, about that how we can insert the records into the tables, how we can create primary keys, how we can check constraints, okay, how we can truncate the tables, how we can delete a table, how we can drop the database. So these are something very important in the SQL chapter. So basically in the Oracle SQL we have to check whether we can create any views or not, whether we can insert the data over there or not, if we can able to update the data or not, if we can truncate the data or not. So these are the things we need to be very careful. So suppose I want to create a new table from the scratch. So what query we have to write? We have to follow one statement before that, because in Oracle create table statement is used to create a new table in the database. To create a table you have to name that table and define its columns and data type for each column. So what is the create table statement? Create table name, column 1 data type, not null. Column 2 data type, not null. Column and data type, not null. So in this way we can create a table. Table name, it specifies the name of the table which you want to create, and column name, column 1, column 2, column up to n, you can define it, and it specifies the columns which you want to add in the table. Every column must have a data type. Every column should either be defined as null, not null. In case the value is left blank, it is treated as null. Okay. So now we will create a table. Create table. Okay, let me check the preferences over there, and here in code editor we can increase the font size. Okay, so here we can create table customers, create table customers, then we have to write customer ID, number of 10, that is not null. Okay, next one is customer name worker, customer name worker 2 of 50, customer ID number of 10 not null, customer name worker 2 of 50 not null. So these are actually some beginners video you can tell, but uh, the main motto of this tutorial is to learn something and to share some knowledge with the world. So customer name worker 2 of 50 not null, and then is the city worker city worker 2 of 50. Okay, so now we will try to execute this. What is this query? Create table customers ID number of 10, not null. Customer name worker 2 of 50, not null. City worker 2 of 50. Okay, create table customers. Customer ID number of 10, not null. Customer name worker 2 of 50, not null. City worker 2 of 50. Okay, so let me run this command. So table customers created. It is showing table customers created. Now we can select that table. Select star from customers. If we run that, okay, this is okay. Sorry, this is customers. Okay, okay. I forgot to mention one S. Okay, no problem. So it is showing no rows is selected. No rows is selected. So we can insert some values over there. Insert into table name values that we can use. Before that, we can change the table name over there. So what is the okay? This is the query to change the table name. What is that name? Alter table name, rename to new table name. So alter table name is customers, rename to customers. Alter table name, rename to customers. Okay, so just run it. So table customers is altered. So if you see in this tables, if you refresh that, you can see there is a table called customers, and you can see this column customer ID, customer name, and city. Okay, so now the thing is to we will move on to create some values over that. So insert into table name, then values. So insert into table name, then values. Customer ID, customer name, then city. Table name is customers, values, customer ID suppose 1, customer name suppose Ram,